Hey, here we are in Audacity, and I want to export my file, and I want to export it as an MP3. So this is the first time I happen to have Audacity on this computer, so I don't have any of the required plugins. So I'm going to go ahead and go to File, Export, Export as MP3. It's going to ask me all this stuff where I want it. Okay, that's where I want it. Give it the proper name, even though it's not going to work. Save. I filled this stuff in previously. You do want to do this. Okay, but then it's going to say, oops, look, we don't have the right lame thing. I don't know where they come up with that name, but it's lame. To get your free copy of Lame, click here. I go there. It says, I'm on a Mac. It says section here. So it's going to tell you how to do all this stuff. So there's on how to do it. Locate, library, browse. So I'm going to go to this download, click here, go to the download page. There it is, recommended installer package for Lame on OS X. There we go, click, and it says left click, not right click, fine, did that. I'm going to back up one because that's where it told me how to do this stuff. Here's on a Mac, right? That's me. Windows, I'm sure, is somewhere. Probably up there. Here's a Mac. Directly underneath. Click here. Finish downloading. Double click the DMG. Okay, I'm going to go to that file. There's the file. Click. Opening. There we go. Let's go back to read some more what it says. I did that. Double click, did that. Launch installer. There's the installer, I suppose. There we go. Can't be opened. Open with installer. Oh yeah, open. Guided through. Default place. Password. Correct password. There we go. Throw that away. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Don't need that either. Let's go back to Audacity. Now, let's see if I say OK, will it work? Try again. Export MP3. Do that. Save. Warning, I already have one. Okay, I guess it worked. I'm just going to take a quick peek in my recents. Okay. Saved you the agony of me flipping through my files. Found it on my exports. There's my MP3. There's my file. There we go. That's it. So I started with Audacity, pretty much cleanly downloaded. I needed to add the Lame encoder to be able to export MP3s. There are a few more plugins we'll need to do. I will either make little videos or just send links and let Audacity teach us how to do it. That's it for now.